Cinema setup and multi-room audio. Now these are the two most critical elements, especially if you are an AV geek, that you would want to have in your modern day homes. Now we had another client with the same requirements, but this extraordinary project took almost 23 months of time, and it has a twisting story of trust, creativity, and some good old fashioned problem solving. Now let me take you through each and every step of this journey. So buckle up your seats and let's begin. So the client reached out to us through Google, which I'm pretty sure many of you are using for finding out good home theater consultants. Now he did that too, and when he went through our profile and all the testimonies, feedbacks that are shared on our page, he knew he was already in safe hands. But he said something which actually moved me and my team and encouraged us to go out and beyond to achieve something great for him. He said, Tanmay, I'm not going to question you or doubt you or even compare you. Just do what you do best and give me the best solution. And he put in only two priorities. The first priority was to use his old setup, which is a decade old setup of Denon X2113 AV receiver and the Deftech speakers, which are the satellite speakers. Now, apart from that, obviously, price is something that everybody wants to fit into their range. So, that was the second priority. So, now with these requirements and assurance, we started with the step one, which is of designing the solution. Now, with the interior layouts in hand, we mapped out audio coverage for every key area: the living room, dining area, office area, the backyard, the front yard, and the master bedroom. Obviously, for the media room, we wanted a truly immersive experience. So, accordingly, we started jumping on the speaker selection, amplifier channels, and reusing the client's old equipment, which we all started carefully planning. And of course, the integration has to be modern for the entire system, which should include voice assistant services as well as iPad or iPhone controls. It wasn't just about sound now, it was actually more about getting every room, every space come alive with the help of technology that is customized to match the client's lifestyle. Step 2 was approval. Approval on pricing as well as approval on design. Now for pricing, you all know that we are into win-win deals. So there's no way anybody is going to be at loss in this table. As well as when it comes to approval on design, a mixture of in-ceiling and wall-mounted speakers kind of played well to match the interiors, which was done by architects and interior designers Tejomaya, which is led by Ekta Ahuja. Now her team seamlessly integrated all our complex AV solutions into the room, and we could have the approvals on the design immediately. Step 3 was execution, which brought its own challenges. Now you all know, working alongside electricians, carpenters, false ceiling contractors, and so many other agencies involved in the home, it obviously meant that we had to stay flexible. For example, the bedroom ceiling posed a challenge for us wherein one side did not have enough depth for the speakers we planned. So after brainstorming with the design team, we created a custom protrusion that not only solved the issue but also added a stylish touch to the room. We also added some acoustic material inside the platform riser as well as on the wall paneling so that we can enhance the overall performance of audio when we have the system live in action. Step 4 is inspection and pre-installation for us. And while doing this, we uncovered a big mistake. A 6-inch speakers were mistakenly assigned 8-inch cutouts and vice versa. Now it's a reminder that human errors happen, but what matters is how you fix them. Now, me and my team corrected this without impacting the project timeline or the project value to the client. At the same time, we learned something that we need to add a verification layer in our own processes so that we do not commit the same mistake on our other projects. During the same time, we even got the AVR from the client so that we can obviously clean it up, service it, but give our operations team a chance to play around with it, to connect it to network, connect it to wireless streamers, and to get some live functionality of how it is going to actually operate in his bungalow, get tested in our office. And finally, after 23 months of teamwork, patience, and the attention to detail, the dream home for our client came to life. The multi-room audio system brought music to every corner of the house. You can see the music felt in the living room, the dining area, the backyard area, the office area, as well as the front porch. And on the first floor, the master bedroom and the media room became a heaven for entertainment. With a 5.1.4 Dolby Atmos setup, a massive projector screen, and additional TV screens for gaming and casual viewing in the bay window area. It has literally become a space that redefines home entertainment in 2025. My favorite part in this entire home is combining the old gear with the new gear and mixing them together to create a perfect balance for multi-room audio. And with regards to the home theater room, well, if you see the initial images, there was no bay window. The room was totally blank. And when the bay window was created, now you had three screens in the room. The first one for a private TV soap or a news channel experience, which is cozy for one or two people. Similarly, they had another screen, TV screen, in the same room for gaming experience for the kids. And when it's time for turning on the movies or sports on a big screen experience without having to change the room, they just have to shift the chairs. That is the kind of experience that we were managed to pull off with this project. And if you have liked this, or if you really desire to build something like this in your own home, irrespective of the place, because we have already been there in almost 35 plus cities across the country, feel free to reach out using the link that is shared above as well as the one that is shared in the description and pinned comment, and me and my team will work to create some fantastic experiences for you. That's it from my end. I, Tanmay Mehta, your home cinema consultant or home theatre wale bhaiya, will see you again in the next video. Till then, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more such amazing setup tools and crazy tips and tricks in the home cinema segment.